Hello, CNG 132. Welcome to a Saturday episode of Weekly Check-in. I've been seeing this. I saw this yesterday pop up, and I'm seeing it more developed today. Of course, as we go on, it's going to become even more developed. Let's see. Twitter was hacked. They had a escalation of privileges. They were impersonating important people, Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Elon Musk, trying to get influential accounts to push their Bitcoin operation. That was probably a scam. Could have been a scam. More than likely a scam. Let's see. But and they did it through some social engineering attacks. Now, social engineering could be following you on Twitter, looking on LinkedIn, jumping back to Facebook, maybe following somebody through Snapchat. These are all forms of social engineering because you're picking pieces of a puzzle and you're putting that information together to get the whole picture of the puzzle together. Agent tools, Twitter UI services. How would they get that information to that? Besides kind of, searching the internet for breadcrumbs. Let's see. For next week, let's see if we can't change the discussion to talk about the Twitter hack. I'm glad we have something really relevant to talk about in this course this semester, because you guys will be able to follow this as it develops. Even though the class ends, you'll still be able to keep ties on this and be like, oh, that's how they did it. Maybe I should block this if I'm a network technology student, or even if you're a cyber student. You're starting to think about, okay, I need to be aware of this when I go out into the field. Next week, I will drop the. We did this one, so I'll definitely drop that one. And baseline security analyzer. We kind of did this one already, but that was just on the OS. That one was a server one. File history. That's another good one to keep. So yeah, I'll drop those ones. So we'll do what's left here. Plus, I'll throw in a lab from CNG 256 where you just do reconnaissance on a business, and it's fairly easy to do. If you have any questions about the lab or while doing the lab, I know it's for a higher up class. Feel free to hop in the Hangouts, ask a question. That's what that place is for, collaborating, figuring stuff out. But this kind of attack is ongoing. Let's see, 80s, 90s was more about taking down systems. Hacking was like, oh yeah, we took down the system. Yay, hooray. But, hackers then kind of got smarter and was like, not only how can I be famous off this, or even not famous, anonymous, as let's say, I guess, how can I remain anonymous but also get a paycheck from this? Is more what it turned into. And as we see that, a cool, let's see if I can, digital shadows. So this place here, I'll put a couple links in the chat. So Digital Shadows usually runs a webinar. If it opens, my internet's acting a little funky. If it opens, they do webinars that are about an hour long, hour and a half long. For the first 30 minutes, you got to listen to some sort of selling points. But after that, you get access to their platform, an enclosed environment of their platform, which uses their credentials to surf the dark web and scrape basically servers down there. Well, I shouldn't say servers down there. Servers out on the web. Basically scrape servers out on the web looking for information that you're searching for. So like a search engine that helps you scrape multiple websites using their credentials. So once again, if their credentials ever got, I don't know, blacklisted from the or banned from the server, you wouldn't have access to that server anymore. So it's kind of interesting take on this kind of platform. It's pretty cool though if you're able to sign up for one of their webinars. And basically, I think it was the dark web monitoring specific webinar. Real cool stuff. I've taken that that webinar, I don't know, 4 or 5 times now. I don't get tired of searching for stuff on the dark web using their credentials. It's pretty cool to do. They used to do talks in Denver. I don't know, I ran into 2 of their talks in Denver, but it was pretty cool. With that, I will let you guys go. Have a good start of the week. Monday's video I'll post tomorrow. Monday I start a new position, so I'll be kind of busy that day. But I'll post the video tomorrow for starting that week, which is week 13-14, business continuity, vulnerability assessment, which I believe that is. But I will post that there. Reflect over the Twitter hack. Maybe come up with some of your conclusions. What may have happened. I shouldn't say come up with your own theories. What may have happened. Then you can kind of put together some sort of hypothesis. Maybe this was that why. And then watch as it comes out. Test your hypothesis against the new information, and then you're going to be able to see if you're correct or not. But it should unfold probably over the next year as we get further information. Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you tomorrow.